Hello guys, today we're going to install Gran Turismo 5 on PC with PS3 emulator. First, we're going to romsfun.com to find the game. Gran Turismo 5. In this section, choose whatever you want, but I'm going to save some space, so I'll choose the lightest one. In C. Now, we'll wait for this. Go to rptstry.net to install the emulator. I use Windows N, so we'll install the Windows version. And my CPU is made for x64 files, so we'll choose the x64 version. Extract the emulator file.
So, this file is safe and legit. Open it.
Extract the game file. It can be long if you use HDD. Let's launch the game. Not so fast, guys. We need a firmware. I will leave the Google Drive file of the firmware. HTTPS Drive Bookup IDD10P0 F7H D8. Let's drag the firmware file into the menu of the EMU. Let's open the game to see if we have succeeded or not. We did it, guys. This is long because of its size. Next time, I will show you how to set up keyboard as a PS3 controller if I can.